Hey guys, today we're going to be talking about these. These are Wyze night lights, and these are 3-packs. So there's 3 of these lights inside of each of these boxes. These lights are rechargeable. They're also motion activated, or they can stay on constantly. So they run off of a battery that you recharge. It says once every 3 to 4 months, I believe. And they put off 25K of warm light. So let's open them up and then we'll see what they do or what they look like and how it is. Okay, here they are. These are the Wyze night lights. I got 2 packs of 3, so 6 lights. The idea is that I'm going to use these to illuminate our stairs at night, and I hope to just keep the motion sensing on so that whenever we're on the stairs at night or we need to walk up and down the stairs, these will automatically come up. So we'll see if that all works. First thing is, let's go ahead and open one of these up and we will see what's inside. These are a lot smaller than I actually expected, but that's fine. So here's one light, and there's 3 of them in a box, as I mentioned before. So let's go ahead and peel this off, and we will take a look here. Alright, so this is what we got. On the side here, so it's USB-C charge port, that's great. We got auto, off, and on. Auto, I'm guessing, is the motion sensing. This is the motion sensor right here, I'm guessing. And it looks like it puts off light on the top and the bottom, which is what I wanted, just like that picture there. Let's see what it looks like when it's on, if this has a charge. Oh, nice. Yeah, that's a good amount of light. I like that. So yeah, that's a perfect amount of light there. So I'm going to charge these up. Oh, let's see what else we have in the box. So we have 3 lights. Okay, 3 lights. And let's open this up. Oh, okay. I think I'm seeing how this is going to work. Okay. So inside here we've got, I don't know what this is. Are these stickers? Oh, these are stickers. So this is a sticker, a cute little sticker, I guess, that can go on the light like that. Ah, that's funny. Okay, so we've got stickers. We have a quick start guide here. What else do we have? So 3 stickers, naturally. Oh, and then we've got metal plates. Okay, so these attach with magnets to the wall, which is good because then you just pull it off the wall when you need to charge it and then just magnet it back up. And it looks like these are similar to like a command tape type non-paint damaging sticky pads for the metal plates here, so they will stick on the wall. And I'm guessing there's a magnet on the back here. Ah, yes. Decently strong magnet too. Okay, that's great. Alright, so these should be really easy to install. We're going to charge them up first, and then we're going to place them on the wall, and we'll see how it looks like at night. Alright, so I've installed all of the Wyze night lights on our stairs, and you've seen the footage of what they look like when they turn on when they're in auto mode. And I believe these are really good. I did run into some issues with 2 of them, as you can see here. I'm not sure what's wrong with those 2. There's something wrong with the magnets inside, and they won't sit properly on the magnetic plates that were sent. So what I did was I put just some Velcro on the back, because you are going to remove these frequently to charge them, and so you don't want them mounted to the wall permanently. That wouldn't make much sense. You need to be able to take them off and plug them in and charge them periodically. And so yeah, solve that problem with some Velcro. So barring that minor issue, which I just had with 2 of them, so most of them are fine, I think these are really great. They put off a good amount of light, enough that you can see. I love that the light comes out of the top and out of the bottom. They feel solid. I mean, they're plastic, but they still feel nice. And the motion sensing and the auto pairing seems to work pretty good. So if you put them on auto, they have 3 options here. They have off, on, and auto, and if you put it on auto, it will flash for a period of time, and then it will connect to the other ones that you also have set to auto, and then they will all come on at the same time or in succession, rapid succession, one after another. The motion sensing is really nice. This is also a a dusk sensor as well. So if the room is really bright, they won't come on at all. If the room is dark, then it acts as a motion sensor and it will turn on. So I think these are really great, especially at $19.99 for a pack of 3. It's hard to beat that price. They're really good. I love the fact that they're rechargeable and you don't have to permanently install them. So if you decide in the future you don't actually like them, you can remove them. I also think it's funny and interesting that they come with these little stickers that you can put over the front. I haven't put any of these on, but you can put these stickers over the front. There's a little cutout for the motion sensor as well. Anyway, that's what I have. Hope you enjoyed this video on the setup and review of the Wyze night lights, and I'll put a link where you can purchase these in the description below. Thank you for joining me for another problem solved.